Yeah, so here we are on our way to Watton in Norfolk. Just got Andy's phone working, and we've hit a traffic jam or a mobile home procession or whatever it might be. All looking good here. Yeah, battery,
here we are,
loads of oil pressure.
Yeah, the Great British Spring has obviously come to the party with lots of rain. Yes, so we've had
in
nice
a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Station Road, B1248.
Thank you. Oh yes, 1248. There we are, Humber Bridge. There we go. So we're sort of heading towards Beverley Humber Bridge. Yes, we had a nice clear run before, and then we followed.
Take the next left onto Station Road, B1248.
Thank you, darling.
It would be better if this bloody woman would stop interrupting us, Andy.
Bloody woman, that sounds a bit sexist, Bob. There's bloody traffic advisor.
Continue on B1248 for 7 miles.
Right, Andy, we're recording.
Okay, so this is the Humber Bridge. We are due to pay £1.50. Well, that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah,
Tell you what, Bob, I'll swerve over on this one here.
yeah. Just wind your window down. You might be able to reach him actually.
Yeah, I'll see. The Humber estuary, eh? The Humber River, I should say, rather than the estuary. Oh, okay, yeah. I always saw that car and I thought it looked like they might go on the E-type, and it was really a lucky circumstance. I mean, they fit very, very well. You know, the sort of the parting line, those with the parting line at the bottom.
Well, it just has that the lightweight E-types that have the
It's a sort of a little nod, exactly. It's sort of a
Yeah, straight back. Why you put yourself on side? Eh? Yeah, side by side. No, don't turn the lock. Just go straight. No, straighten the wheel. Steering wheel this way. No, the other way. That way. That's it.
That's it.
Keep going. No. More lock, more left hand down. That's it, go back at that. Stop! That'll do you nicely.
So Greg, do you guys take it in turns to drive? You do like a couple of hours each, and then when you're driving, do you take turns?
Yes,
yeah. Okay, all right, yeah. Nice.
Killed for one of these when I was 21.
Oh, absolutely. How old are you, Dave?
77.
All right, I'll be 76 in June.
Oh, right.
So, yeah, the youngest is a bit behind us.
Yeah, I'd say at 21, having one of these, it'd be a babe magnet, wouldn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
You know, a guaranteed score every time.
Everyone will supply with a big stick and beat the girls up.
It was one of those things, I don't know about you, but I mean, for me, it wasn't even something you thought about because it was so far outside.
No, I had a Sprite.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Oh, right, okay, yeah.
Couldn't afford the NGB.
Yeah. I had a 1275 Sprite, Series 3, yeah, and then when I got back into restoring old cars, I got a Fog Eye.
Oh, yeah.
And
I wanted one of them, but I ended up with the Mark II with a 948 engine.
yeah.
I was so proud of it because it had bearings on the camshaft, whereas the shittier engines were running straight in the block.
Okay.
half a mile, turn right onto Middleton Road, A614.
I'm guessing you'll edit bits out of this, won't you? You'll edit bits out of it.
Oh yeah, of course I will. Yeah.
Take the second right onto Middleton Road, A614.
Okay, left.
Continue on A6.
Filming.
Okay.
Okay, left. You take this later on the long haul out of the town.
Fairly confident of that one.
Unless you're very unlucky.